Hi everyone, welcome back. My name is Emelie and in today's video I will be creating two cards. The first card I will be creating is this one, and for starting out I will be using the Beaming with Love stencil. I used this in a previous video as well and I really like this one. I think it's quite unique, and you can see that I use my blending brushes from Trinity. These are the minis and I really love them. I think they are great for smaller stencils like this when I want to switch between a couple of colors. I believe I used some pink, some orange and some yellow colors for my project today. And you can see I'm just overlapping them slightly so we can have a nice transition between all of the colors. You can also see that I'm using Trinity's matte here in the background, just so that I can have my stencil and paper perfectly in place. Now I took my painter's tape and just moved it so that I can mask off sort of the direction of the light source. So you can see here we will have that, and when I'm happy with that I will actually come back and do another thing, a background color, in a second. But before I'm doing that, I thought I was happy with the background and I moved on to color my focal point for this card, which is this flashlight. So for the colors I chose some light gray colors just to make it look like that metallic shade that a flashlight could have. So I thought I was going to break up all of the other sort of more bright colors in a nice way. So I'm just blending a couple of shades together. For the top part of my flashlight, I masked off the opening, as you can see here, and I wanted this to look like it's shining in orange and pink, and that it was filled with little sweet hearts that was coming out of the flashlight. I hope that makes sense. So that was the idea behind me coloring it like this. And for the sentiment, I moved on and stamped one of the greetings from the Recharge 4x8 stamp set. And then I used the coordinating dies, and you can see how perfectly they cut out the sentiment. And You Light Up My Life, I thought was adorable for this project. Such a nice little Valentine's card, and you can like send this to anybody. It doesn't have to be like your Valentine, it could be your mother, your sister, anybody that you just want to give some love to. Yeah. So at this point I thought my background looked a little bit too boring, so I went in with some more blending, and now you can see I'm masking off that stencil part that we did in the beginning, and now I'm just using some really light blue ink. And I didn't do this perfectly, I just want to be honest with that. You can see I had sort of that mark and I wasn't happy with it, but I will sort of make this work, and it will be a little bit darker than I was intending from the beginning, but it's okay. And here we go, we have our flashlight in place and I'm quite happy with how it looks. We will have a card base. This is a slimline card base. I just custom made this for my size of paper. I played around and I cut this down a couple of times, so the measurements you can really play around with when you are creating cards like this, and just customize them in your scoreboard so that you get the perfect size that you want. I raised my flashlight up with some foam squares, and then I laid it on top of my masked off piece, and then at an angle, I decided this quite late into this project that I wanted this to be on an angle. You light up my life, and I thought that was so cute. And you could be done here. I thought I was done here, but I wasn't. I went in with some stickles on top of that top part of the flashlight. You can see it's sort of shimmery. And then there was a couple of hearts in that same stamp set as the sentiment was in, and I just went around the background just stamping those out. So we have the pink and orange heart, and then we have the tone blue ones, and I really like that. So that finished off our first project for today's video. Our second one was just adorable. need a recharge, energy boost. So I started off by creating my card base here and cutting all of the pieces for this one. And this is a super power add-on, and it coordinates with the soup can shaped card that was released last year from Trinity. And you can see I'm just going around and taking my time, adhering all of this to, this is actually the back of my card. And yeah, I had a ton of fun creating this one. This really came together quite nicely and quite quick. And yeah, you can really try different color combinations. I wanted this to be sort of, if you're having a bad day, you could really need this card, because this will definitely be an energy boost and you will feel so much better after reading a sweet sentiment on the inside of this card. So that was the idea behind it. And yeah, and some energy. It's quite low on this side, and then when you turn the card around, yeah, I'm just gonna do some embellishment here too before I'm done. Don't ask me if I did this in the right one. I was actually sort of wondering if I did, but I probably did. I think I did. It was a while since I changed the battery. Let me just put it that way. And then we have this one. I'm going to do this in pink, and this have a lot more energy, and we will have the top part, and then we will have our little cute smiley face here in a second. So cute. I had a ton of fun, you guys, playing with this one. You can see it's a sad face right now. I will of course switch it around and it will be a happy camper. Yeah, so cute. Some more energy. And if I would think about it, I probably wouldn't have embellished this before I had fit my greeting on top of this, because it was quite challenging to sort of get all of that into the right position. But I made it work. But if I would do this card again, I probably would wait with those signs before I had my sentiment in place, because that is easier to play around with than the sentiment, because it needs to be sort of, I think the sentiment should be a focal point on any project. So in this case it was, but I had to fiddle around a little bit to find the right place for it. So you can see here I was playing around looking where it should go, and it sort of made it down there. So I hope you enjoyed this video where I created two cards, the one with a flashlight and the one with a battery. So until next time, I hope you are having a great day, and I will have links down below for all of the products that I used in this video. Thanks again. Bye!